welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes right here. They are by the brand Pro Lash Beauty. As you can see, super beautiful. And they also sent me this lash bond, so I'll be testing them out together. So this is the flipped D-Mix, as you can see. So it does have Sunday through Saturday, and then it has pretty much 2 weeks worth of lashes, as you can see. And they are already cut up and lined out for you. So that is what the lashes look like. Looks super fluffy. So the lashes look really nice. They are lined up like a doll lash. And I really don't like doll lashes. I do like more of a cat eye. So I'm going to apply them differently. I'm going to put the longer ones on the outside, which are the middle one on the very out, and then I'm going to line it with these two and then these two, because the way they're set up, the longest is in the very middle, and then it goes a little shorter, and then the very outer ones are the shortest. So that's how I'm going to be lining them up. And this is what the glue looks like that they sent me. So it does have a lash bond and a lash seal. So this is step 2, which is the seal. As you can see, it's clear. And on this side, this is the lash bond, which again, it is clear. And they are the micro mascara wands. So you'll be able to tell because it does say step 1 right here. And then the other side says step 2. As you can see right there. I'm gonna start off by doing this side. Like I said, I'm going to be doing the very middle lash on the very outer edge, and then I'm going to do these two and then these two on the inner parts, because I'm really not looking for a doll lash. But if you want to do like a doll-eyed, just apply them exactly as is, but that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm going to start off by applying step 1. And I'm using these tweezers right here. You can use any type of tweezers that you like. I find that these ones work the best for applying. And then I'm going to start applying from the middle one, and then I'm going to work my way outwards. Okay, and as you can see, that is what it looks like. This is before and this is after. Let me see, just with the regular thing. I love these. These are really pretty. They're very like full on, very fluffy. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like from the side. So I'm going to do my best to show you guys. So that's just looking sideways. That's on top. So absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is what it looks like with both my lashes done. And now I'm just gonna use step 2, which is the seal. So you just flip it around, make sure you're on step 2. And this will just make sure that it does not stick to your bottom lashes, and it'll take away any stickiness. Now it does say like Monday through Saturday, But these will actually last you longer than a day. As long as you're taking really good care of them. I should get at least a week's worth of wear out of these. So this is a really, really good set. That's a lot of lashes for the price. I think this is just absolutely amazing. They look so pretty. I'm sorry, I'm looking down into a mirror so that I can get my overall thoughts on it. I do like the way I applied this one a little more. This one I spaced it out just slightly, but I used every lash off the top row. And like I said, I used the middle one on the very outside, and I used the two beside that, which are the next length to the longest, and then the two outer ones on the outside. But I did make sure that I used the one that was for the outer corner on this side, on the inside, so that it's longer right here, and the same with this side. I just like the way that looks. It just kind of made it look a little more full. But these are absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love this set, and I would highly recommend, especially if you're new to trying out lashes. This is a great set, especially if you do want to try out the doll eye, because they already are mapped out. But even so, like, it comes with a lot of lashes. This is a lot of sets, and they're already pre-cut. These ones did not break when I was pulling them off. Super easy to deal with, super easy to apply. Really good set, most definitely. I will be linking where you can actually purchase these down in the description box below if you guys are interested. But that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.